guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Amara. I'm the owner of Snuggling Knit Designs. Here we do all things chunky knit blankets, occasionally stuffed animals like this guy right here. I am already decorating the house for fall. Just the little things here and there, mostly flowers, but let's get back to the video, okay? So today we are doing something a little bit different. I don't know, should I say different? I don't know, something exciting. But my client, she's a very great client, a very great one. So she sent me this picture right here, and she was like, Amara, can you make this for me? I know it might be difficult, it's different from every other one that I've ordered, but can you make it for me? I'm like, oh yeah, I love a good challenge. I've not done anything like this before, but I love a good challenge. Okay, if one thing about me, I love to put things together. I'm very inquisitive, kind of. I like to think, but I love to make new things, create new things. And thankfully, to one great crafter, creator. I don't know, should I say crafter? Yeah, I think a crafter. But we connected on TikTok, first on TikTok, then Instagram, and here on YouTube also. Her name is Helly, but her channel name is HolyMolyDane. Yeah, I hope I said that right. HolyMolyDane. That's her handle on TikTok, on Instagram, on Facebook. I think, I don't know if she has a Facebook, but that's how you find her if you're interested. She has lots of great tutorials, amazing tutorials. So she has a video on this, how to make the paws on the blanket, and I'm going to attempt that and add that to the blanket that the client ordered. So without further much yappy, let's get into this video, okay? Okay, so we are actually done making the blanket, okay, and I did put this like in or the inspiration. Actually, I had to find the original creator of that blanket, and I messaged her. I was like, hope you don't mind. My client sent me this your picture and asked me if I can do this for her. Hope you don't mind if I recreate something like this using yours as an inspiration. And she was like, yeah, just tag me when you're done making it. So I'm done making the blanket, okay. This is the blanket. Let's see. Can we see the whole blanket? Yeah, we can see the whole blanket. It's a big one. Then for the paws, it's kind of in a heart shape. So I just used this to kind of outline the heart. This video is crooked, but please pardon me. So I used this yarn to outline the heart to be a guide of where we can place the paws to form that heart shape. It may not be perfect, but we'll see. I plan on using like 3 other colors of yarn. So these are the colors of yarn that I plan on using for the paws. We have black, we have this coffee, I think, or yeah, we'll call it coffee. Then we have this color also. So these are the colors I plan on using for the paws. We have black, we have this color. This actually looks like animal print colors. Then this one, and then some brown. I don't know if we're going to add this or this. I don't know which pink to use yet, but we'll see. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Maybe 5 colors of 5 different colors, and have like 2 of each for the paws. We'll see how that goes, but let's get into it, okay? Okay, so now I'm going to start placing the paws. I have to first cut up the pieces so it's easier. I'm just going to be placing them. So let's see. Need 4 of these ones, 2 of this, 1 of this. This blanket is going to have a lot of fuzzies in it, like a lot of fuzzies. Okay, let's see how we are going to do this while we record at the same time. Okay. Okay, let's see. Okay, we've. I'm not going to. I'm going to place them all first before. After placing them all, before I'll start burning them behind so that I can see what they look like first. I think those two are far apart. I think I'm going to bring this one in here. Uh, this is what I'm afraid of. The fuzzies. Fuzzies are going to be so much on this blanket. Okay, I think that's better. Yeah, I think that's better. Okay, one down, 18 more to go. Okay. I'm just eyeballing this, as you know. I just had to use this as a guide. So, first one, and to place one on either side. Hi, everyone. So, this is what we have. I kind of like how it came out. It's not perfect, it's nowhere near perfect, but this is good. So, I used one, two, three, four, I think five colors. Yeah, black, coffee, I'll call that top, and the pink, and another one. I don't know what to call that one. So these are the colors. This is black. This is um light brown. Then we have this one, and we have pink, and then we have brown. So this is what it looks like. Let me move backwards a little bit so you can see the full blanket. Yeah, that's the full blanket, what it looks like. Yeah, like I said, it's not perfect, but I think I did a good job. So now I'm going to I need to tidy it up, clean up the fuzzies, and add some hearts on it. We need to add some hearts on the gaps where we have spaces. We are going to be adding hearts on them, and I'm liking it. Let me know what you think in the comments. Okay, guys, I finished the blankets, and this is what it's looking like. Oh my god, I can't believe I did this. I really can't believe I did this. Like, look at that. Look at that. Like I said earlier, it is not perfect, but this is something. This is something. I know you would agree with me. This is something. I really like how it turned out. I really like it. There's room for improvement, but I'll take this as a win. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye.